On an August evening in 2019, a young man named Elijah McClain was walking home from a convenience store in Aurora when police officers responding to a report of a suspicious person stopped him, confronted him, and ultimately physically subdued him along an Aurora street. Then, paramedics who responded to that call injected him with a powerful sedative, ketamine, and Elijah McClain's heart stopped and he died a few days later without ever regaining consciousness. This controversial case ultimately went to a grand jury, was prosecuted by Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser and his office. There were 3 police officers that were charged. Juries in 2 separate trials acquitted 2 of them, found 1 of them guilty of a felony charge of criminally negligent homicide. And then the 3rd trial that was held in this case involved the 2 paramedics, the one who ordered the administration of the ketamine and the one who actually administered it. A jury found both of them guilty of the felony charge of criminally negligent homicide and found one of them guilty of a much more serious charge, second-degree assault. Now, the Colorado Court of Appeals has thrown out the criminally negligent homicide convictions against the 2 paramedics after ruling that the judge erred in not issuing a specific instruction to the jury that had to do with the duty of care in a case like this. And so the Colorado Attorney General's office today said it's going to appeal the Court of Appeals ruling to the Colorado Supreme Court. That's expected to take months. And at the same time, the paramedic who still has that second-degree assault conviction on his record is also likely to go to the state Supreme Court and try to get that case overturned. So we're coming up on 7 years since Elijah McClain's death and no end in sight for the criminal cases associated with it.